Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to enable and configure ransomware protection in Windows Defender. Let's jump into the video and see how to do it.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Actually, we are talking about Windows Defender in Windows 10. It offers robust and anti-ransomware protection to our computer. In this video, I will show you how to enable ransomware protection and protect your system as well as data folders in your computer. Ransomware is a type of malware that locks your files, data, or other PC itself and extorts money from you in order to provide access. This is a new way for malware writers and hackers are found to their illegal activities on the web. So now I am going to show you how to enable Windows ransomware protection in your computer. There is 5 methods to follow to enable the ransomware protection in your computer. First step is open Windows Defender. Click on View Security Dashboard. From the left side, select the Virus and Threat Protection. Then, under Ransomware Protection, click on Manage Ransomware Protection. After that, turn on Control Folder Access. This feature protects files, folders, and memory areas on your system from unauthorized changes by malware. Then you will find two more options. First one is Protected Folders and second one is Allow an app through Control Folder Access. Click on Protected Folders to manage the folders that are being protected right now and folders that you want to add for the to it. But you can certainly add more folders by clicking on the Add Protected Folder button. After that, if you have enabled Control Folder Access and on a folder, and if any authorized app or process tries to access it and change its contents, the attempt will be stopped and you will see the unauthorized changes block notification in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see it in our video also. The only reason ransomware is created is because the malware writers see it as an easy way to make money, such as unpatched software, outdated operating systems, or people is beneficial for such people with malicious and criminal intentions. So Windows Defender offers this protection. You could instead make use of some good free anti-ransomware software. While there are some ransomware tools available in the web, but I will personally recommend this enable in your computer, and it helps you to protect your personal folders, files, and other things in your computer. Whatever you do, keep in mind that hackers should not be allowed on your computer. Please share this video and stay with us. Thank you.